Namaste. I am Dr. Pranav Khawale, Medical Officer at National Institute of Naturopathy, Pune. I hope you all doing good in this corona pandemic and you are taking care of your health. We are here to give you the glimpse of foods today that are just surrounded to us, and its benefits and health benefits to it. Okay. So let's understand what is that fruit as a medicine, or let's say as a god pharmacy, that is going to help us. There are many fruits around us that has been built by the god at first when he separated the salt and water from the fresh, made dry lands, planted a garden, made animals and fish. All before making a human, he made and proved what we would need before we were born. These are the best and most powerful when we eat them raw. We are such a low learner that God has left us a many clue to understand the importance of those food according to our body parts. And that's really amazing to know. Let's understand carrots. If you think about a carrot, it is good for eyes. We have been keep hearing. But if you cut it in a slice, a carrot looks like the human eyes exactly. The pupil, iris, the radiating line looks like just human eyes. And yes, science now shows carrots greatly enhances the blood flow and function of the eyes. So isn't that amazing to know? We have some great vegetables with us that can help for our eye health. Next, coming to the tomato. So let's understand, tomato has a 4-chamber. When we cut it, you find there are the 4 chambers inside it. And it is in a red in a color. And all the research shows that tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, which is the powerful antioxidants that are indeed pure heart and blood food. Coming to the next, grapes. When you see a grapes appear like a cell structure in our body. Maybe their structure, which is in a round shape and different forms. Grapes hangs in a cluster that has the shape of the heart also. Even grapes look like the blood cell, as I told you. And the research today shows that grapes are also profound heart and blood vitalizing food. And also the grape has something powerful antioxidant resveratrol that helps in controlling the blood sugar. Walnut. By hearing the walnut, what comes in your mind is a brain-shaped fruit or any kind of a dry fruit. Walnuts like a little brain. It is exactly the mirror image of the human brain. It is in small size. It has a left and right hemisphere, upper cerebellum and lower cerebellum. Even the wrinkles and folds on the nuts are just like the neocortex. We now know walnut helps to develop more than 3 dozen neurotransmitters for your healthy brain activities. Kidney beans. While thinking and looking at the kidney beans itself, you understand it has the same color, same structure and same shape of the human kidneys. Kidney beans actually improves your kidneys health. Now, learning about celery, bok choy, rhubarb and many more look like vegetables just like a bone. These foods specially target bone strength. Bones are 23% made up of sodium, and these foods are 23% of sodium content. If you don't have enough sodium in your diet, the body pulls it from the bones, thus making them weak. This food replenish the skeletal needs of the body. Next, when we think about a female health, what foods come to save them? The first thing is the avocado, brinjals, which is called as eggplants, and pears. Just imagine a shape of that, and that exactly is the shape of uterus in a woman. So avocado, eggplants and pears targets the health and function of the wombs and cervix of the female. They look just like the real organ. Today's research shows that when a woman eats an avocado a week, it balances hormone, sheds unwanted birth weight and prevents cervical cancer. And how profound is this? It takes exactly 9 months to grow an avocado from blossom to ripe fruit, and there are more than 14,000 phytolytic chemicals constitute of nutrition in each one of these foods. So isn't it amazing? So coming to the men's health. So increased sperm count or a low sperm count or sterility. There is one of the best fruit that the nature has developed or the God has developed, we can say. It is figs, anjeer, are full of seeds and hangs in a twos when they grow. Figs increases the mobility of male sperm and increases the number of sperm as well as helps to overcome male sterility. So it's a wonderful fruit that nature has developed for us. Coming to the diabetes, many of us we think that what vegetables or food go with that. Let's understand the shape of pancreas and think about a sweet potato. It has the exact shape and looks like a sweet potato. Sweet potato looks like the pancreas and actually balances the glycemic index of diabetes. There is something called as glycemic index that helps to maintain your blood sugar, that is being dealt with a sweet potato. Coming to the again women's health, where the ovarian health matters a lot for the fertility rate. Here is the food that is called as olive. Olive assists the health and function of the ovaries. So coming back to the again on the particular glands that helps us to provide a micro and a millennial nutrition when we are just born. That is called as orange, grapefruits and other citrus fruit just look like a mammary gland of the females and actually assist the health of the breast and the movement of the lymph in and out of the breast. So this is the wonderful fruit that helps to maintain any kind of problem or disease or to improve the hormonal balance with female with mammary glands. Coming to the onions. Onions looks like the body cell exactly. Today's research shows onion helps to clear the waste material from all the body cells. They even produce tears which washes the epithelial layers of the eyes. A working companion, garlic, also helps to eliminate the material and dangerous free radicals from the body. And these two components also help to maintain your blood at the particular viscosity to prevent you from the stroke, cardiovascular diseases or any kind of neurological factors that acts on it. So this is all about to understand the God's pharmacy or the fruits as the medicine, and I feel that we all has to try eating them raw or the easiest form to cook and get used to the natural form of the food than the any other things. Thank you.